Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the water hose connector in your LG dryer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with the Phillips bit and needle nose pliers. Before you attempt this, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance and shut off the water supply. Pull the dryer away from the wall. Unthread the 5 screws to remove the bracket. Slide the lid and lift it off to remove from the dryer. Unthread the 2 screws holding the control panel. Pry the 3 tabs, then pull back and lift up to free the control panel. Unplug the wire harness from the display PCB assembly. Unplug the LED light. Unplug the door switch. Use needle nose pliers to remove the routing clip from the bulkhead. Unthread the 2 screws on the lower half of the panel. Unthread the 3 screws on the top half of the dryer panel. Be sure to support the panel while unthreading the 3 screws that secure the top of the dryer panel. Now lift and remove the front panel. Unplug the moisture sensor harness. Remove the 2 screws holding the cross brace. Remove the 4 screws holding the bulkhead. Lift the bulkhead up and out of its slots and set it aside. Depress the pulley to release the tension on the belt and unthread the belt from the pulley and motor shaft. Remove the drum from the frame. Use the pliers to remove the hose clamp. Use the pliers to release the connector from the valve. Now remove the connector from the hose. To install the new water hose connector, insert the connector into the hose and then insert the connector into the valve. Secure it with the clamp. Set the drum in the frame. Place the dryer belt rib side down along the outside of the drum and looping it around the tension pulley and motor shaft in a zigzag formation. Rotate the drum to help align the belt. Insert the bulkhead into its slots. And rethread the 4 screws to secure it. Plug in the moisture sensor. Now reinstall the cross brace and rethread the 2 screws. Insert the panel in the 2 slots at the bottom of the appliance. Now rethread the 3 screws on the top half of the panel. Rethread the 2 screws on the bottom half of the panel. Plug in the LED light. Plug in the door switch. Reinsert the routing clip. Plug the wire harness back into the PCB assembly. Insert the control panel into its grooves and push forward to snap in place. Then rethread the 2 screws that hold it in place. Place the lid on the dryer and push forward to secure. Rethread the 5 screws to reinstall the bracket. Push the dryer back into place. Turn the power supply back on, as well as the water. And your dryer should be ready for use.